In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to Zendesk tickets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right ticket, craft a clear response, and send it with confidence. Start inside your Zendesk agent workspace and open the Views panel. This is the icon that shows your organized ticket queues. Views help you see what needs attention, whether that's unassigned inquiries, open conversations, or anything your team has set up. Click it to reveal the list so you can quickly get to the work that matters most. From the appropriate view, select the ticket you want to handle. Clicking the ticket opens its full details. Take a moment to scan the conversation history, the requester information, and any internal notes your teammates may have left. Understanding the context up front will save you time and reduce back and forth later. Now move to the reply composer and make sure public reply is selected. A public reply goes to the customer and becomes part of the customer-facing thread, while an internal note is only visible to your team. Confirm you're in the public reply mode before you start typing. Compose a clear, friendly message that addresses the customer's request. Start with a brief greeting, acknowledge what they asked, and give the answer or the exact next steps. If you need more information, ask specific, concise questions so it's easy for the customer to respond. Keep the tone professional and empathetic, avoid jargon, and don't include any sensitive data like passwords or full payment details. If you reference a help article, mention it by name and summarize what it covers so the customer knows why it's useful. You can also note any attachment you're including and explain how it helps resolve the issue. Before sending, pause to proofread. Check for correct names, ticket details, and working links. Make sure your instructions are actionable and that you've set expectations about what happens next, such as timelines or follow-up steps. When everything looks good, click Submit. This publishes your public reply, emails the requester, and records the message in the ticket timeline. You'll see your response appear immediately. If the customer writes back, the ticket will return to your attention, and you can continue the conversation in the same place. That's all there is to it. Open your views, choose the ticket, write a polished public reply, and submit. Thanks for watching, and happy supporting. Happy Eats.